Got to Sorrento a few days ago and we wanted to do another boat tour. We love the one on Corfu so much. So we contacted or found Tours and More and got on the boat this morning. They picked us up and we are now on Amalfi Coast. The difference between sort of coming here by car and then a boat tour is the shoreline along the coast to get to Amalfi Coast from Sorrento is beautiful. There's our boat, Amalfi tour. It's pretty cool driving down, a little long, about an hour and a half. We got a couple cappuccinos and a snack. It looked better than it was, but we're hungry. Who would have thought that we would be laying on the beach in Amalfi Coast? But we are. This is some of the most in-between sized beach sand I've been on. It's not fine, it's not huge, like a lot of the islands in Greece. It's like little pebbles. Here's the inner sort of square at Amalfi, what it looks like. Can't believe they let cars drive through here. There's just people everywhere. Interesting. We thought the best way just to people watch is to get a table downtown and buy an overpriced beer. Work and smile, work and smile. So that looks like a straight hangover. We just went in one of the wine shops that did wine tasting and we asked, so how much is it? It said it's $25 per person, euros, for 3 tastings. But if you want, you can get fruit with it and then it's $85 per person. Euros. I think I'll skip the fruit. The smell was unbelievable. We stopped. This is like a fried seafood fast food place. And here she comes. Oh!
Mine's a little bigger than most because I sort of is pushy.
We're just eating this. And if you've had good calamari, good fried fish before, it's probably a 4 out of 10. I wouldn't waste my money and time in the line, to be honest. I'll put it in the name of the...
I guess it's fresh. Why don't you drink from this one? Drink from her. That's even better.
This coffee almost cost us staying on Amalfi. We just made it. As soon as we got on the boat, they left. Everybody's staring at us like we're holding their lives up. So we walked up to sort of the top area of Positano. Beautiful, gorgeous views, of course. We're gonna go back down to the beach, get something to eat, and hang out and people watch. This island is definitely prettier than Amalfi. Positano. Hey travel lovers, we just got back from our tour, really tired. Beautiful, beautiful boat ride. There's a lot more than just Amalfi and Positano along this coast. A lot to see. The rock formations are beautiful, the mountains are beautiful. There's actually some ruins along the way. Good night, tired, we're going to sleep, getting up early, Rome, later.